Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today I would like to ask you one simple question. Okay, this question I'd like you to answer in the comment section. Okay, then I'll explain in the next class. I explain how to do it. I give you the concept behind it. Okay, my question is as follows. This is the way I like to teach. Okay, ask you the question you think, and then I give you the answer, isn't it? Okay, the question is as follows. Okay, two questions there would be. Where's my beautiful pen? 1 minute. Okay, the question is as follows. Okay, what's the difference between link CAD and import CAD? Okay, that's the first question. Okay, I hope it's clear. Question number one. What's the difference between link CAD and import CAD? Okay, if that's good. Okay, question number two. In AutoCAD we do have layers, and layers in the sense we have line weight also, isn't it? Each object we assign a line weight. Okay, if you don't understand what's a line weight, I just open one drawing and I'd ask you that question. Just a second. So we're back to the story. So we are in AutoCAD now. So let's suppose we go to the layer properties manager. Okay, click this. Okay, you see the line weight here. 1 minute. Yes, this is line weight. Okay, each object has a different, each layer has a different line weight. Okay, so when you insert it in Revit, okay, I have inserted here in Revit. Okay, actually this is one is I have linked it, link CAD, and the second thing is import CAD. Now my question is, how do I know? Let's suppose I send you this file. Okay, I send you this file. Let's say level 1 is link CAD and level 2 is import CAD. Now my question is, how do you know which I have done? How do you know, have I linked it or have I imported? And I send you this file, I saved it and I send it to you. Okay, my question is, how do you know it? Okay, first thing I need to select it, so I'll select pinned elements. Okay, this is import CAD. Okay, my question is, how do you know? How do you catch? Okay, John, this is 100% import CAD. Okay, another one is select pinned elements. Okay, my question is sorry. So how do you know this is imported or is this imported? Okay, in the comment section let me know. Okay, and I'll tell you how to do it. In part 2 I'll teach you how to do. How do you know when you kept a file like this? How do you know if it's imported or linked? Okay, and what's the difference between, that's question number one. Question number one, what's the difference between link CAD and import CAD? Okay, second thing is, once I get the file, let's say somebody sent me the file, how do I know was it imported or was it linked? Okay, the third thing is, okay, you see here there are different line weights. I hope it is visible. Just a second. 1 minute. Can you see it? No, can you not see it? Okay, let's see here. Can you see it? 1 minute. Yes, now you can see, isn't it? See that they're different. Some are thick and some are thin. Okay, my question is, okay, this is for baby aliens, isn't it? Line weight. Okay, good. Okay, now here there is default. Okay, default layer 0 element is in default wall thickness, line weight. Okay, in Revit, how do you change the line weight for the layer 0 elements? How do you know which is in layer 0? Select the link file, go to query. Sorry. Okay, you can keep doing one by one, or go to VG, imported CAD, go to layer 0. Okay, I would not have done this, but okay, anyway, elements in layer 0, just change the color to red so you would see it if it is there. Nothing in layer 0. Okay, there's nothing in layer 0 then, sorry. Okay, sorry then. Okay, my question is, suppose you have an item which is in layer 0, let's say not with default line weight. Okay, how do I change it in Revit? Okay, here it's default. I want, let's say, to change it to something else, some other wall thickness. How do I change it? Think and give me your answer in the comment section. Okay, I think this class would be, let's say, I'll be making always 2 classes anymore moving forward. One would be the question, and the next class would be the answer, the solution. Okay, so I look forward to receive your answers. The question is as follows. First question is, what's the difference between link and import? Okay, now second question, if I have a file, let's say a file inserted already or linked here, okay, how do I know is this link or imported? Both look same. Okay, how do I know is this imported or is this linked? Okay, third thing, about the line weight. Okay, default is given. I want to change the default thickness in Revit to something else. How do I change it? Okay, in the next part I teach you how to do it. Okay, take care, and we see each other in the next class. I look forward to receive your solutions or your comments. Okay, take care, and I think that's it for today. Okay, we see each other in part 2 of the class.